Alright guys, see your boy Big Tank from Double South, and this tutorial will talk about chaining. So we'll talk about chaining for this tutorial. Now, since we started our tutorial series for this jQuery, now just one method at a time would be used for any HTML element we target from our web page. That is for each statement now, just one element, one method now we use. So now this chaining go make it easy for us more, because it go make our code not too plenty like that. You get the reason we say we fit use this chaining technique take call plenty jQuery methods one after the other on the same element with the target for our web page, and everything are just for inside one statement too. You get so now I probably for my previous tutorial you don't suppose see me use them, but you're not gonna know the chain that they do. You get so the way the thing be what you got happen more from this my web page first. You see this part of the web page now. You see now this part now you see this example now I will target. So what I go do, I'll come here, let me this showroom product here now. I'll come here, I'll just have to copy this part safe. So that no type on. So I could say $, so that we'll see now jQuery use. Then we'll target this showroom product. So we'll target and I'll say .css. Then I'll say border. Then 3 pixel solid blue. You get. So after this one now, I could say find. You see now. So now the chaining does start like this now. So because this first one now sort of finish. You see now. So as we put dots now, they put another method now. So with the chain this method now to this place. You see now with the chain now. So we'll feel they continue to go. So I'll say inside now I want find UL. So now this UL now this UL now I want find now. So we'll find this UL. The two we'll see we'll say give an CSS too. So the CSS now we'll do border, then 3 pixel solid blue. You see so when we do that finish now, we'll go target all the children inside that UL now. So say children. She dey see the chain that they long now, because now they add like that as they go. You get so now so the chaining technique just be the same. So I know the ends the statement and they continue now with other methods now, so that I go achieve a lot for one statement. So say border, then I'll say 3 pixel solid red. So more than that first mostly. So the happen now, I'll go here, I'll refresh. You see the happen also. You see we'll target this one first now. That means the showroom product now. So we'll target and we'll say the CSS now, we'll give blue. Now be this main blue where you see where go around for here now. So after I'm done and finish, I will say okay, we won't find this UL now. So inside the showroom product now, the only UL then now be this one now. So we'll find out now, won't give in fact we'll change that to green, so that I go understand where. We won't give it border green. You see let me this UL now. We give the border green. She see the green for here now. So we got us okay. After all give the next one do now say we won't give all the children now. We won't target all the children now. That is all the list items right there now. So we'll target them, then we'll give their border now. We'll change the color to red. See the same. We will change the solid from solid to dotted safe. So I think we'll stand out small. So more refresh. See the same. You get so now so the chaining just be, but once you be like say you need to understand, say code and work to be like say if you learn new thing it is sweet well. So the chaining I can advise say once you do the long like this, may stop. You get not to me long. You get? So because if it's too long now, say like times 2 of this one now, when your codes up plenty well, the thing go too hard for you to read. So to make the thing easy, I did video we say after a certain point now, if you just come here now, you go break it down here. Then after this one now, you come down again, you break it down here. Share this one. She see the other one. So I say okay, after I raise this first one now, then the next thing I see the happen. Then the next thing I see the happen. Share this one. So now if you cover the easier to read. So the reason for this technique is because we don't want our browsers to difficult to find many the same elements more than once. You get? So it will help to increase the performance too for our web page. So things go to load fast, that kind of stuff. So anyhow, they practice this one while I teach you now. Then any question you get, if he asks me for the comment section. See now IDB now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you just come, then still tell that where they happen. I'll still be a lawyer boy big time from those out, and I'll go see you for the next video. Thank you.